Huh? Weird. I was dreaming I was dressed up like a princess to play the magic fairy in a lottery game or something. And there were dwarfs as well? I probably should see a psychiatrist. Ah, fuck that. Let's start the day. Sounds like it's raining, huh? What should I do? What should I do? Maybe some morning routine. I mean, it would make me a more happy person, right? Do some reading, some exercise, some meditation. Or. Much better. Now I feel like a happy person. Back to morning routine. I do that tomorrow. Good that I first have to work on Wednesday. It would be awful to get out in this weather today.
Today is Wednesday.
Huh? Why are you in my head? Und wieso sind meine Gedanken auf Englisch? Und wieso liegt hier Stroh? Naja, andere Geschichte. Fuck. I have to get ready for work.